All right, folks, we're at Pull Tight Spring. Here's some information. If you pause the screen, you can read about the cabin here. They got some businessmen, rich businessmen from St. Louis, purchased 311 acres, and they built a cabin down here and shared it with family and friends. Here's the spring. Here's the rock face. Springs are precious ecosystems. No wading, no swimming, no fishing in the spring in Missouri. We could kayak up the stream, but it's full of logs. And, just don't want to disturb anything, but that's it. That's where all the water comes from. It's good to get out of the boat after 4 hours. Peace out, Girl Scout.